Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add friends in Mario Kart Tour. In order to add friends on Mario Kart Tour, go ahead and open up the Mario Kart Tour application and log into your account. From the main screen, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now, you will see the Friends tab. Simply tap on that. Now you will see this Add Friend button. Simply tap on it, and then you will need to enter your friend's ID or the player ID of your friend in the text box at the bottom. After typing down the player ID correct, you will then be able to add the friend in the game. If the friend ID is correct, you will be able to send them friend request. Once they accept your request, you will be connected. And that's how you can add friends in Mario Kart Tour. Once connected, you can race together in multiplayer mode. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.